Is your home alarm system constantly triggering for no apparent reason? The most common culprits are low batteries and zone faults. First, low batteries. Sensors and control panels rely on batteries that typically last 6 to 18 months. A weak battery can cause intermittent signals, triggering false alarms. Second, zone faults occur when a specific sensor, like a door or window sensor, malfunctions. This could be due to wiring problems, misalignment, dirt, or electromagnetic interference. A zone fault will often display a trouble code on your alarm panel. Addressing these two issues will solve a majority of false alarm problems. If low battery and zone faults aren't the cause, it's time for a log check. Modern alarm systems log events, like sensor activations and timestamps. Access these logs via your system's app or panel. Reviewing the logs helps identify patterns, such as repeated triggers from a specific zone or at certain times of day. This can point to environmental interference or a faulty sensor that needs replacement. For example, a SimpliSafe user in Boston fixed phantom alarms by identifying interference from nearby electronics through log analysis. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing false alarms. Experts say that 90% of false alarms are preventable with regular upkeep. Consider upgrading to a system with smart fault detection, which uses AI to analyze sensor data in real time, reducing false alarms significantly. Stay proactive and keep your system updated to avoid future headaches.